Hey, welcome back to 360 Alaskan Life, but we are definitely not in Alaska today, are we?
No. This is Florida.
We are in Florida, exactly.
Yep, this is Florida, and we're in Disney Hollywood.
Disney's Hollywood Studios, and we're about to go to Star Wars Edgeland for the first time. What's everybody think of that?
Awesome.
Sounds awesome. We got a giant hat right behind us in a little Ewok village. So this is Star Tours right behind us. Yeah. And there are people everywhere. It is a rainy, cold day in Florida, unfortunately.
It is cold. It's only 50 degrees.
Ethy is chilly.
Yeah, it feels like Antarctica here, but less snow.
It's actually so cold. The other day it was warmer in Fairbanks, Alaska. It was 41 degrees in Fairbanks, and in Florida it was only 28 degrees. As we approach Star Wars Edge World. We're heading down the tunnel from the Grand Avenue area over by the Muppets Theater, straight into Star Wars Edgeland, which we're transitioning to now. And sorry about the water spots on the lens. It just rained and rained non-stop. Well, it's not exactly Kubota, but I'd take that A-Wing for a ride.
All purpose droids checked opting regeneration for energy sink.
This was the market, it said? Yeah, marketplace. We quickly made our way through the marketplace to go check out the other sites the Black Spire Outpost had to offer, including this one right here, which is a personal favorite of mine, and I'm sure a lot of other people too. They have a full-size Millennium Falcon parked here at Black Spire Outpost. Right next to the Millennium Falcon on the left is the entrance to the Smugglers Run Ride, where you actually get to pilot the Millennium Falcon with you and a crew of 6 other people, where everyone takes their place, whether it's a gunner or a pilot or an engineer to fix the Falcon. And let me tell you, the Smugglers Run Ride is amazing. If you enjoy Star Wars, you like the Millennium Falcon, it's just, you can't miss this ride, because you finally get to be in the Falcon with a full replica of the cockpit. And you can see on the model right here in front of us, there is a full replica of the cockpit right there. And the Falcon is just highly detailed in every way. I had a really long selfie stick, and I was trying to get a shot inside the cockpit of the Falcon because it is highly detailed. You can't really tell in the video, but all the controls and the lights are on inside that cockpit. And I actually had a Disney employee come up to me and tell me I couldn't have my selfie stick extended like that. So you might want to note not to have a really long selfie stick at Disney. The inside, all right, we'll try to get the best view we can of the cockpit. But the staff was incredibly nice about it, and it wasn't a problem. We just collapsed it back down and kept on filming. That lady's on the phone with someone, and she leaned over to her friend and goes, "He doesn't know what the Millennium Falcon is." Pointing at the guy at the phone.
What's that ship?
Shaking her head in disgust. Don't worry, the 360 camera caught it.
That ship right there.
Over there? I don't know.
Oh, he's talking to you.
What's that?
It's not extended.
Well, no, I can't extend this. Got in trouble from the Disney police for extending the selfie stick.
Yeah. I probably did.
First order shuttle. Look, the speeders are hovering. The speeders are hovering with the help of a steel framework anyway. So now we're actually in line for the Rise of the Resistance ride, and this ride is just absolutely amazing. And you can see we're walking up here for an interrogation on a Star Destroyer, and there's hundreds of stormtroopers greeting us as we walk into the bay. I have to tell you, it's pretty intimidating staring at all those stormtroopers, and there's first order officers guiding you through the ship as you head for an interrogation in a prison cell. Well, while me and Evan are waiting to head to the prison cell for our interrogation, don't forget to like and subscribe. Evan's worried we've been captured by the first order. Join us next time on 360 Alaskan Life, where we're going to ride Rise of the Resistance.